Hello viewers, have a good day. Welcome to another tutorial. Today's tutorial will learn how to read the metadata of a raster file. So just go to the QGIS. So you can see here there is a number of raster data: band 1, band 2, band 3, band 4, band 5 and band 6. So if I click here and click on zoom to layer, so now we can see the entire satellite image. Now the question is that how to read the metadata. When we going for research purpose or study purpose, you should know about the metadata, because metadata is an important part of the remote sensing and GIS. Without knowing the metadata, you will not do anything for your study purpose. So how to read it? So individual actually file has individual metadata. I want to show you. At first I want to go to the band 5. Why? Because we know that this is the Landsat satellite 8, you know that LC08. So this is the Landsat 8 satellite image, and this Landsat 8 satellite image band number 5 is a near infrared band, and I want to read the metadata of this band 5. So when you go to properties, you can see here the first option is sources. So here you can see the multiple information that you should learn before your study. So first one is that the name of the band. Okay, then path and rows, you can click here and it will take directly USGS site. Then you can see total size is 95 MB of this folder, sorry, of this data of this band, and it was you can say the last use, it's not required. You just go the extension, width 7591, height this one, then this is GDL, that means the data type is GeoTIFF file. Okay, then the data set where actually this data set is located, this extension part is here. Then if we go the below, you can see the band 1, you can see the statistic, that means the statistics, maximum value, minimum value, percentage value, etc, etc, more information, area and point, dimension you can see. Now you can say coordinate system, you can see here that is UPAG 3264, WS84 and UTM45. so if you read the metadata, you can easily find out the UTM zone of this data. So this is UTM zone 45, universal transverse marketer projection. Not only that, you can also see the most important thing is that pixel size. Pixel size 30 into 30 means this is 30 meter into 30 meter resolution. One pixel actually contains 30 meter into 30 meter area on ground. This is the pixel size. So from this pixel size you can know the how much area covered in a single or individual pixel. What is that, I will show you later. Then these are the information you can see here: minimum, maximum value, band value, etc. Okay, from this then a source you can see here, the assigned coordinate system, etc. Okay, so now we can go the metadata. Okay, categories, knowledge, access, extent, content, link, history, can do anything here. Then I will go the band number 4. Click here, go to properties, and again go to the introduction. Here this is the total size 85, GeoTIFF file, everything is same, pixel size also same, UPAG, then UTM45 same. Okay, and if you go below, then you can see these are the metadata where actually content with this. Okay, on the other end, if I go to it's the main file. Okay, so where this file are located, so my file is located into this folder. Okay, I want to show you. So if you go to the folder, you can see there is a folder in your data. Okay, that is you can see that the AMTL file. Okay, this is the AMTL file. So just double click here, this AMTL file. Okay, and there is another file, that is the text file. Okay, So these are the two file you can see here. Okay, so first is here. If I zoom it, then you can say this is the whole story about this Landsat 8 satellite image. Okay, the origin is image custody by the US Geological Survey. Okay, then group product countries, continent, digital object interface, Landsat passcode, then everything, collection number, collection category. Okay, then output format, etc. is here. Then you can say the sensor also right here. Then you can say this everything is you can see here. Okay, the row you can see here, the path number you can see here, nadir we can see here. Okay, then we can see here the cloud coverage percentage you can see here. Okay, then sun azimuth you can see here, sun elevation you can see here, then earth sun distance how much you can see here, then datum you can see here, ellipsoid you can see here, UTM zone you can see here. Okay, the cell size also you can see here. Okay, then latitude, longitude also you can see here. So you can see the number of information here. Okay, then multiple information you can see here from this metadata. Okay, again I want to show you that key you can go directly to your respective Landsat satellite image folder, double click here and try to search it, the mtl file you can see here, mtl.txt. so double click here, then all the data related to this satellite image will appear here, and you can select the required information what you want from this satellite image. Okay, you can do this. So thank you for watching and keep subscribe my channel for more video and more update.